welcome to my channel. And if you love tech unboxings and simple tips, you are in the right place. So, are you seeing your account is restricted right now on WhatsApp? Don't worry, I'll show you how to fix this issue step by step. So, this usually happens when WhatsApp detects unusual activity like sending too many messages, using unofficial apps, or violating their policies. But the good news is you can fix it easily. So, firstly, open the Settings app, scroll down and click on the Apps option. Click on WhatsApp, click on Storage and Cache, tap on Clear Cache. Now go back to the home page, open the Play Store app. Now at the bottom, tap on the search icon and search for WhatsApp. Update it if not, and yeah. And if you still face the problem, just wait for the time shown on the screen to complete. And yeah, that's it. And if you find the information given in the video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.